Today we're going to learn how to set up a blog post on your website. First things first, you type in your web address /wplogin.php. You type in your username and your password and then log in. This will take you to your dashboard. From here, go to the front end of your site by clicking Visit Site. This takes you to a more intuitive view of your actual website, and then you can click Blog. You'll see all of your posts right here. I've created a sample post for you right at the top. So let's go to New Post to see how we do that. Add new post, you put in your title, you put in your article, and usually this will be pasted in from something that's on your clipboard. I'll just pull up a Microsoft Word document and pull in a paragraph. Copying that, pasting now that paragraph into our blog. So we have a title, we have an article. What's missing is categorizing this blog post. We have to tell it that we're putting this into our blog, which is where we put all posts. And we have to pick a featured image. So let's choose an image that I've already uploaded. For our featured image, it's 378 KB, so it's less than 500 KB. That's good. Set featured image. And it'll show up on the side as a featured image. Now I also want to have an image inside my blog post, and I'd like it to be after the end of my article. So I'm going to add media. This time I'm going to find a file that I've already put on my computer. So I'll select files, and from here I'm just going to pick something. This is going to look a little different for you because you are on a PC. I'll pick this picture. And it shows up in my media library already selected so that I can then insert it into my post. And there it is. If I want to change its position or its layout, I could center it. I can move it over to the side. And then I would hit publish. Nothing happens until you hit view post, at which point you can actually see what you've created. In order to make any edits to it, you simply click edit post. So in this case, I didn't like that it was over there. I'd like it more to be up at the top of my article. I have a little bit more to say, and I'm going to get rid of this. You can also add bolding, italics, and links. To other content on the web from your own blog post. Just for a moment, I'll put this live onto your blog so you can see what happens. We'll hit view post. Whatever happened to our featured image? Well, when I go into blog, this is where the featured image shows up in a list of blog posts. So that is the fast, cheap and dirty way of adding things to your blog should you want to get rid of anything, which I urgently do. You can't delete a blog post without going into the back end, your dashboard, clicking on posts, and here you'll see a list of all of your posts. I'll throw away these sample posts that I've just created for you. But you can also edit posts that you've already created. Just by clicking edit, it'll take you right here to your editor. And I know that you had said you found the text rather small. Let me quickly show you how to enlarge text. So let's say we've just pasted something in from somewhere else, and oh dear, it's really quite small. You select the text you want to enlarge, and you would go up here under paragraph style. Typical paragraph style we've been using has been heading 4. which, were I to update this and preview it, it would look the same as this. I don't really want to mess with your old blog post though, because there's nothing wrong with it, so I'm just going to leave it and leave you to it and hope that that makes sense and that you have a good time blogging. Okay, all the best. Bye-bye.